Welcome back. I'm the Watch King. On this video, we're going to go over a very cool unboxing. I typically don't do these, but when I get a very special watch in stock that I'm very excited to share with you, I do. So this is the Rolex 6094, the very first Oyster date reference ever in the Rolex lineup. So let's go hop right into it. So flipping it right into it, I should say, this is how it came. I never opened it, so I wanted to get my first impressions on camera. So that was very well packaged. A lot of tape was used in that bubble wrap there. But this, I did not take a look at it. It came, this was just in there. Very nice strap. It looks very cool. This is the first time I got it. It's interesting for an interesting watch. Never seen that used on a Rolex, so it's just, I like that. I mean, he threw that into the deal, which was very nice. And oh, I should not be doing that with scissors there. Okay, so let's get into it here. Here we go. All right, let's pull this thing out here. We'll look at this. And it's running, which is fantastic. Now, wow, this thing is cool. I don't know what to say. First impressions, it's exactly how it looked on pictures. It has, that's fantastic, because I never asked the dealer to show me the crown, but this crown is really, this is super sick. Wow. It is engraved in the back, and that's a point of controversy, I guess you could say, because some people don't like the watch to be engraved, but I really don't mind it. I think it adds a little extra character. You know, Carl L. Johnson owned this watch, so I just think it's kind of cool. Whoa, but that dial, wow. This is something you see tons of Oyster dates. They're offered to me pretty much on the daily, because people know oh. Let's see here. Hold on. Let's try to set though. So there's no. That's amazing. Okay, so I was trying to unthread the crown, even though this is an Oyster watch. There's no. Let's see. There's no actual threading of the crown. Wow. Okay. Very cool. I did not know that. You know, I try to become as much knowledge as possible, but the best way I do that is actually in purchasing these type of watches and seeing them. This is truly a remarkable watch here. So we have, let's see, we have holes on the case, which is makes sense. I just want to see if we can. I don't want to put the serial on camera, but just so you can see, it's a 6094. You can see that clearly, which is fantastic. That means, you know, it wasn't really on a bracelet. This watch, it's possible it came on a strap, so that's why the serial number is super clean too. Just checking that out for the first time. Want to make sure that matches everything. Yeah, it does. So this watch is a 1952. This is before Rolex redid the serial number. So this is truly under 1 million watches produced. Well under 1 million watches total in Rolex's history. That is just incredible. I will do a full interview. Or I mean, not interview, review. I can't interview a watch, but a review of this watch, because wow, this is truly a starstruck experience. And when when you see watches on the daily, it's not something that you really don't get your breath taken away. Let me just pop off my watch here. Wow, just wow. That's all I can really say. Roulette date window. I mean, we'll get to all this in the review where I go down the history of this particular one. It still sounds amazing. It was serviced recently, 2019 or 2020. the actual dealer I bought it from told me. So that's probably why it's, you know, running so well and everything. But he told me the dial was never touched. The only thing that you could see from far away is that there's a little crack in the dial, or an indent. In pictures up close it looked worse, but you could still see that there's something wrong with the watch there on the dial, but it has never been cleaned. I want to thank you all for watching. If you have any questions, definitely email me down below. I'll be an answer, and also leave a comment and I'll be sure to get back to you. I want to thank you all for watching this video, and I will catch you in the next one.